In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Power BI report with others. Sharing a Power BI report is quick and straightforward once you know where to look. I'll walk you through the process, explain what each option does, and give you a few simple tips so your teammates can open the report without a hitch. Start by opening the Power BI report you want to share. Make sure it's the one you intend to distribute, with the latest data and visuals in place. When your report is open, look toward the top right corner of the Power BI interface. You'll see the Share button up there. This is your main hub for distributing the report to others. Click the Share button. A panel will appear that offers two primary ways to share. First, you can share directly by selecting the people you want from their Microsoft accounts. This is ideal if you already know who needs access and they're part of your organization. Enter their details, confirm you've got the right individuals, and you're set. This method is clean and controlled because it targets specific recipients tied to their Microsoft identities. The second option is to copy a link to the report and share that link through your usual communication channel, email, chat, or your team's project tool. Click to copy the link, paste it wherever you're sending it, and your audience will be able to open the report from there. The benefit of the link is convenience. It's great for quick distribution or when you need to reach a group fast. A quick but important note, you must be logged in to your Power BI organization account to access the Share feature. If you don't see the Share button or it's grayed out, sign in to the correct organizational account and refresh the page. Being in the right account ensures you're sharing from the proper workspace and that the people you select can receive the report as intended. A few helpful reminders as you share. If someone can't open the report after you've sent it, it often means they're not part of your Power BI organization or don't have the necessary access through their Microsoft account. In that case, double-check that you shared with the right people and that they're using the account you targeted. Also, when using a link, remember that access still follows your organization's permissions. Sharing the link doesn't override that. That's all there is to it. Open your report, click Share, choose Direct Sharing or copy the link, and make sure you're signed in to your organizational account. You're ready to confidently distribute your Power BI insights.